Thinking about the post-match soap might feel daunting, but being prepared is a strategic choice. Whether you had no interviews, received only a handful, or feel uncertain about matching, understanding the soap process can make a big difference. In this video, we'll guide you through the 2025 post-match soap, highlighting key tools like our new Vacancy Predictor and Compatibility Checker, which will help you navigate this critical time efficiently. The Supplemental Offer and Acceptance Program, or SOAP, provides a second chance to secure a residency spot. Each year, programs are left with unfilled positions due to candidates matching elsewhere. During SOAP, eligible applicants can apply to these unfilled positions to maximize their chances of matching. SOAP begins on Monday of Match Week, when eligible candidates receive the list of unfilled programs. You'll research these programs, submit up to 45 applications through ERAS, and potentially receive interview invitations. Interviews and offer rounds then take place, giving candidates opportunities to secure positions. To participate in SOAP, you must register with NRMP by the rank order list deadline and be able to start residency on July 1st. IMGs must have completed USMLE Step 1, Step 2 CK, and OET, with ECFMG credentials fully verified by the rank order list deadline. SOAP moves quickly, so understanding the timeline is crucial. At 9 a.m. ET on Monday of Match Week, you'll learn whether you matched. Eligible candidates will receive the unfilled programs list and can start applying at 10 a.m. Programs begin reviewing applications at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. Interviews happen Tuesday and Wednesday. On Thursday, SOAP offer rounds start at 9 a.m., with 4 rounds throughout the day. SOAP concludes at 9 p.m., and Match Week ends Friday with the release of results. Preparation is key for SOAP. Our AI-powered Vacancy Predictor tool helps identify programs that are likely to have unfilled positions before SOAP begins, enabling you to get ahead by preparing specialty-specific personal statements and letters of recommendation for top SOAP specialties and programs. During SOAP, our Compatibility Checker tool helps you evaluate your compatibility with programs from the unfilled list that you need to obtain from the NRMP R3 system, ensuring you make the most of your 45 application limit. With only 45 applications available, program selection is vital. Use our tools to target programs that fit your profile and increase your chances. Ahead of SOAP, preparation is key. Brush up on your skills with our interview prep service, designed to help you stand out and make a lasting impression. NRMP violation reminder. During SOAP, you cannot directly contact programs. Communication must be initiated by the programs. Applications must go through ERAS, and you cannot share the unfilled programs list with other candidates. Violating these policies could jeopardize your match chances. SOAP offers a second chance, but preparation is everything. Use tools like our Vacancy Predictor and Compatibility Checker, and make the most of Match A Residence resources. If you have questions, email us anytime at support@matcharesident.com. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest match info. Best of luck in Match Week 2025.